Pakistan's cricket team took to the field in Rawalpindi for practice ahead of their highly anticipated Champions Trophy match against Bangladesh, despite concerns over rain potentially affecting play. The team engaged in warm-up exercises and drills, fine-tuning their skills as they prepared for the crucial fixture. With unpredictable weather looming over Rawalpindi, the match conditions remain uncertain, adding an extra layer of tension to the contest. Both teams will be hoping for clear skies as they battle for an important victory in the tournament.
তবে বৃষ্টি বাগড়া যে শেষ ম্যাচে শেষ হাসি হাসতে দুই দলই মরিয়া, কেউই চাচ্ছে না হারতে, কেননা পাকিস্তানের চাই